So this is my first vlog. I wasn't really intending to do this. I just have a mix of videos I'm gonna put together. So there's some missing content. If you don't like it, let me know how bad it sucked. It's over a long period of time. So you'll notice I have a beard. Gonna be trying to put a new engine in my Jeep to move. It runs good, but it leaks everywhere. I've got to drive it this many miles. I don't know. We're gonna see if I can make it. Never driven this Jeep that far. Gonna try it. Jeep running. About to pull it into the shop. Just spraying the engine. About to clean it and pull it out. Running in my Jeep. Same Jeep. We just got our engine pulled. Got nothing in there. We got everything labeled so we know where it goes again. Got to give this bay nice clean. Here's my old engine here. So you can see it's pretty rough shape. So got a good deal on this guy. Put it together. Getting ready to get put in here. I'm just doing my Jeep cables. I'm hanging them up. So what I did is I just taped the terminals pretty easy. I went ahead and sprayed them blue. And this is what I'm using right here. I got the cables put in, got everything hooked up, and went for our first crank to see what happens. Engine put in, fired up, and the freeze plugs were spraying antifreeze. So smoking pretty bad, but we got her fixed up. Took it for a spin down the road and already having issues. It just stopped right here. It's been chilling, so I found the issue. My alternator went out, and I have a 90 amp stock alternator, and I'm gonna be putting in this right here. It's a 140 amp. Got everything together. About to put our battery tray on. All right, guys. Here's a battery tray. Now let's get the battery.
Feel me, feel me.
Utah. I put about 300 plus miles on this new engine coming here, and then I've driven around a little bit. I got about 500 miles. I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil. Out here on Sunday doing a little crawling. Quite a bit later, I got some parts that I'm going to put in this to finally finish up my engine. Alright, I got these. I got these from some dude off my Jeep group, Utah XJ or whatever. Let's check it out. Sorry about all the dirt. I really wanted to get it cleaned up good for this video, but it's been on a journey through the desert and been sitting waiting for these parts, so this is what you get. Pretty good.